Now come to question number 5th. Express each of the following as a product of powers of their prime factors. Say first one. It is 648. Here find out prime factors of 648. Here it is divisible by 2. Divided by 2, you will get 324. Again divided by 2, you will get 162. Again divided by 2, you will get 81. Now 81 is divisible by 3. Divided by 3, you will get 27. Again 27 is divisible by 3. Divide it, you will get 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Again divided by 3, you will get 3. And 3 is divisible by 3. Divided by 3, you will get 1. Therefore 648 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 2 is multiplied 3 times. It can be written as 2 raised power 3 into 3 is multiplied 4 times. It can be written as 3 raised power 4. This is your answer. Come to the second part. It is 405. Find out prime factors of 405. Here it is divisible by 3. Divided by 3, it is 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15. Again by 3, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. Again by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja 15. Again by 3, 3 5 ja. Again by 5, we will get 1. Therefore 405 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here 3 is multiplied 4 times. It can be written as 3 raised power 4 into 5. This is your answer. Now come to third part. It is 540. Here let us find out prime factors of 540. It is divisible by 2. Divided by 2, it is 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14 and 0. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. Now it is divisible by 3. 3 4 is 12 and 3 5 is 15. Again by 3, it is 3 1 is and 3 5 is 15. Again by 3, 3 5 is 15. Now by 5, 5 1 is 5. Therefore 540 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. In exponential form, it can be written as, here 2 is multiplied 2 times, it can be written as 2 raised power 2 into 3 is multiplied 2 times, again it can be written as 3 raised power 2 into 5. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part, 3600. Now find out prime factors of 3600. Here it is divisible by 2. Divide it, you will get 1800. Again divide it by 2, you will get 900. Again divide it by 2, you will get 450. Again divide it by 2, you will get 225. It is divisible by 3. Divided by 3. 3 7 ja 21. 3 5 ja 15. Again by 3, you will get 3 2 ja 6. 3 5 ja 15. Now by 5. 5 5 ja 25. Again by 5, you will get 1. Therefore 3600 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Here 2 is multiplied 4 times, it can be written as 2 raised power 4 into 3 is multiplied 2 times, it can be written as 3 raised power 2 into 5 is multiplied 2 times, it can be written as 5 raised power 2. This is your answer. Now come to question number 6. Simplify. See first part, it is 2 into 10 raised power 3. It can be written as 2 into 10 raised power 3 means 10 is multiplied 3 times. That is 10 into 10 into 10. And if you multiply it, you will get 2000. This is your answer. Now come to second part. 7 raised power 2 into 2 raised power 2. Here 7 raised power 2 means 7 is multiplied 2 times. 7 into 7. And 2 raised power 2 means 2 is multiplied 2 times. Multiply it, you will get 196. This is your answer. Now come to third part. 2 raised power 3 into 5. 2 raised power 3 means 2 is multiplied 3 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Multiply it, you will get 40. Now come to fourth part. It is 3 into 4 raised to power 4. It means 3 into 4 raised to power 4 means 4 is multiplied 4 times. That is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Multiply it, they will get 768. Now come to fifth part. It is 0 into 10 raised to power 2. It is equivalent to 0 into 10 raised to power 2 means 10 into 10. And any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Therefore your answer is 0. Then sixth part, 5 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 3. Here 5 raised to power 2 means 5 into 5, and 3 raised to power 3 means 3 is multiplied 3 times. If you multiply it, you will get 675. Now come to seventh part. 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 4 means 2 is multiplied 4 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 3 raised to power 2 means 3 is multiplied 2 times. That is 3 into 3. And if you multiply it, you will get 144. Now come to eighth part. 3 raised to power 2 into 10 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 2 means 3 is multiplied 2 times. That is 3 into 3. And 10 raised to power 4 means 10 is multiplied 4 times. That is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. And if you solve it, you will get 90,000. This is your answer. Now come to question number 7. Here simplify. Say first part. It is minus 4 raised to power 3. It means minus 4 is multiplied 3 times. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. And if you multiply it, you will get minus 64. Here say minus is multiplied 3 times, and 3 is a odd number. Therefore here it will come minus. And 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64. Your answer is minus 64. Now second part. Minus 3 into minus 2 raised to power 3. Here it can be written as minus 3 into, here minus 2 raised to power 3 means minus 2 is multiplied 3 times. That is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 Here minus sign is multiplied 4 times and 4 is a even number. Therefore, you will get 1. It means positive plus sign. And here multiply 3 to the 6 to the 18 to the 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24 is 24. Now come to third part. It is minus 3 raised power 2 into minus 5 raised power 2. Here minus 3 raised power 2 means minus 3 is multiplied 2 times. Minus 3 into minus 3 and minus 5 raised to power 2 means minus 5 is multiplied again 2 times. Minus 5 into minus 5 and here multiply this. What will you get? You will get 225. Now come to fourth part. It is minus 2 raised power 3 into minus 10 raised power 3. Here minus 2 raised power 3 means minus 2 is multiplied 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 and minus 10 is raised power 3 means minus 10 is multiplied 3 times. That is minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. Here minus is multiplied 6 times and 6 is a even number. Therefore, your answer will be positive. Multiply the numbers. It is 8,000. This is your answer. Now come to question number 8. Compare the following numbers. See first part. 2.7 into 10 raised power 12. Second number is 1.5 into 10 raised power 8. Here on comparing the exponents of base 10, what we observe that in first case it is 10 raised power 12 and in second case it is 10 raised power 8. It means 2.7 into 10 raised power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 raised power 8. See second part. 4 into 10 raised power 14 and 3 into 10 raised power 17. Here again on comparing the exponents of base 10, what we conclude that 4 into 10 raised to power 14 is less than 3 into 10 raised to power 17. This is your answer. Thank you.